Okay, so Jonathan and Bernd, thank you for agreeing to have a quick chat about your experience so far at Circle Podiatry. Really, I just want to get an idea of your journey with us and particularly how we may have helped you. So maybe trying to rewind the hands of time and just think back to the level of discomfort that you were feeling initially. If you can maybe say a few words on what you were experiencing initially.
Before I got insoles, I hadn't had a problem with my feet before, but when I started doing running, so sort of 5 and 10Ks, I would get problems with my knees, and they would just get really sore and I would have to stop eventually, and this sort of got worse and worse. And then I thought, because my brother and dad also had insoles, that maybe I should get them as well, maybe that was the reason. And then I got tested and yeah, I had to get them, and after that it got a lot better. I got used to wearing them sort of over a few weeks, and then I could start running again, so that was good.
Okay. And you were experiencing some pain in your foot and in your...
Yeah, some in my foot, but worse in my knees, yeah, because of that.
And that's largely better now?
It's pretty much fixed now, so I didn't have a problem with it normally, but it's mainly just with my running, so that's much better now.
Okay. And probably an important factor to consider there as well, though, is that for your years before that, you were totally unaware that there were any issues, and it was when you increased the amount of sport you were doing.
I was unaware that there was issues, and I knew that, as I said, my dad and brother had insoles as well, but it maybe wasn't as bad for me, the problem, so I didn't need it normally. But then, just when I started, wearing shoes more and running more and doing more intensive stuff, then because of that, I needed insoles.
Okay. And would you recommend Circle Podiatry to anyone else?
I would, yeah. I don't know if there are any other podiatrists in Oxted, so I guess for anyone that has this problem in Oxted, yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, but not the whole UK now, just your Oxted.
Yeah, well, it's a bit hard to get here for a newcomer, isn't it?
Okay, thanks very much.
Thank you.
Dad, anything you'd like to add to that of your experience?
Well, I think the biggest difference, I've had sports insoles over a number of years and struggled okay. I mean, it's never been quite alright. It's gone from shin splints to muscle ache, and really the more I've run, the more I've been training, and especially during the marathon training. I've always had sore legs, and the last thing I know before I fall asleep is that my legs are aching. But I think it's much helped by these insoles, and I still have a little bit of issues, but that's always going to be the case. I think mechanically I'm just too far off to really be, but it's helped an awful lot.
Okay.
Definitely worth it.
I might as well say this on camera, as it were, that it is probably quite crucial that we actually do review how they are going as well, because yes, we may not get total resolution of your symptoms, and doing marathons is obviously taking a big toll on the body. But if we can review it, there may be some things that we can actually do to tweak and fine-tune it, and get more benefit from what we're doing. Okay. And likewise, you would recommend Circle Podiatry, would you?
Yeah, nationally too.
Nationally, wonderful. Internationally?
Absolutely.
Wonderful. And thanks so much. I know you have brought the whole of your family along, literally, so we do appreciate that. And hopefully we're keeping you all on a strong footing.
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.